Good morning, students. In the last class, we have done the reading comprehension of unit number 4, The Old Green Door. So now we are familiar with the words. Now we are going to do the explanation of the unit number 4, The Old Green Door. So now, students, I will be telling you a story of how many students? 3 students whose name were Tom, Jack, Tara. They are also your age only. And like you all, they are also curious in nature. They always want to explore new things. So these 3 students, they want to always explore new things. And they are also wanted to do lot of adventure. Okay. So this is the story from your course book, that is unit number 4, The Old Green Door. And this story is written by George Ansel. This is like a play. So this is like a play. So now what is play? What is the meaning of play, students? Play means it is a small act which we perform on the stage. Okay. Play is a small act which we perform on the stage. Now let us read what is there in the box. Characters in the play: Tom, Jack, Tara, Uncle Ryan. 3 school students. So the main character are 3 students, that is Tom, Jack, Tara and Uncle Ryan. Uncle Ryan, to whom they are narrating their experience. Who is narrating their experience? Tom, Jack, Tara. So students, okay. Uncle Ryan is talking to Tom, Jack, Tara. He knows the kids love to look about and explore new places. Uncle Ryan, I know you love adventure, Tom. Tell me about any one of your adventures. Tom, okay. I have been in this school for 6 years now. Began when I was 4, but I have never found out what lies behind the dusty old green door. Uncle Ryan, you make it sound mysterious. Where is this old green door? Tom, it's down past Miss Joyner's room at the end of the corridor, but she never goes there. Nobody uses the dusty old green door. Uncle Ryan, go on, tell me more. So now Uncle Ryan, who is Uncle Ryan, students? Uncle Ryan is very close to students. Uncle Ryan knows very well that these 3 students, they always want to explore new things. They always like to have new adventure. So the scene starts now. When Uncle Ryan is talking to Tom, Jack, Tara. He's talking to Tom, Jack, Tara. Uncle Ryan is talking to Tom now. Okay. Uncle Ryan, I know you love adventure, Tom. Tell me about any one of your adventures. So Uncle Ryan is asking to Tom, Tom, can you tell me one of your adventure? Because you 3 of them always want to explore new things, no? So tell me one of your adventure, he asked. Who asked? Uncle Ryan. So Tom replied, okay, I have been in this school for 6 years now. Began when I was 4, but I have never found out what lies behind the dusty old green door. So Tom said, yes, today only we had adventure and that it was very scary adventure. That is, it was they all looked at each other face before narrating it. So Uncle Ryan said, I am very much interested and I want to listen to your adventure. So Tom started narrating. He said that today we thought of exploring the dusty green door. Uncle Ryan, you make it sound mysterious. Where is this old green door? What is the meaning of mysterious? Mysterious means something that we cannot explain. It is called mysterious. So now Uncle Ryan became very excited. He asked, where is this old green door? Tom, it's down past Miss Joyner's room at the end of the corridor, but she never goes in there. Nobody uses the dusty old green door. So Tom said the dusty old green door is in our school itself. After crossing Miss Joyner's room, at the end of the corridor, there is a green door and it is dusty. So now students, when he is always giving stress on the word of dusty, right? So he is always giving the stress on the word of dusty. It means that generally that this door or the room is not used. It is very dusty. When we are not used for many days, it will be very dusty, right? So this is what happened. Uncle Ryan, go on, tell me more. So Uncle Ryan said, carry on, I want to listen some more. Tom, this morning Jack, Tara and I decided to explore. So during playtime we headed inside towards the old green door. So Tom started giving experience. He says from many days this dusty old green door and we always had feeling to explore what is behind this door. So today in the playtime, that is in the sports period, in the playtime, got the opportunity. There was no one. So we three, we left the field and came inside the school building. Slowly we crossed the staff room and all the labs and whole area is very quiet. So all the three students, that is Tom, Jack and Tara, they slowly crossed the rooms. They went to green door. As soon as they went to old green door, they frightened because they saw a light. What they saw? They saw a light. Uncle Ryan, then what happened? Come on Tara, now you tell me. We passed the staff room, passed the labs, and that was when we saw an era light was shining bright behind the old green door. A strange light they have seen, which was coming from behind the door. So all the three in the position that they were not able to understand that what they should do. They should go either inside or try to go inside the room. You can see in the picture. The three students are seeing towards the dusty green door. So next we will be discussing in the next session that what did Jack tell and Tom reply to Uncle Ryan, and what did Uncle Ryan asked after telling this scary, that is the shining bright they have seen. So that after seeing that, so what the Uncle Ryan said, we will be discussing in the next session. Okay students. So thank you students.